Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Crypto Explorer. In previous Tron videos I showed how to get your wallet set up, back it up, and then restore it. And then I did another video on how to create your own token on the Tron network. In this video I'm going to show you how it can be purchased using the Tron Watch wallet. And so for example, if you created your own token, you can instruct folks on how to find it and purchase it using Tron. So in the token creation video, I made an option for it to be purchased for 100 of the Energon token for every one Tron, and I gave it a time frame of today, or actually yesterday, and then till the end of the year where it'll be available for purchase. So what you need to do to purchase it, basically you go to tokens in the wallet and you search for it. So Energon is the name of the token. Now over here is where it says view website. This is basically to verify this is the token that you're looking to buy. It should link to some site for the project. Now this token that I created is really novelty, so there's no website associated with it, but you would use that to verify that token is the one you want to purchase. A lot of times folks can create tokens that look like the one you want to purchase. For example, they could put a different character instead, so it's always good to verify it. So over here you can see I'm clicked it, and then I'm going to choose the wallet. Now this is the wallet I created the token in, so I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use this wallet, and I'm going to put how much Energon I want to buy. So if I put 100, you're going to see it's going to cost 1 Tron. I'm not sure where they get this dollar value from, but it is what it is. So, and you can use the slider to buy, but I'm not going to do that. We're just going to do a test transaction for 100 Energon and click purchase. Then I'm going to click confirm, and then you're going to see buy is successful. So we're going to go to the Crypto Explorer wallet, and you can see under here token purchase 100 Energon, and you can see over here under the tokens that there is 101 Energon. I sent myself 1 Energon earlier from the last video, I believe, but now you can see there's 101 Energon, and this is through a token purchase. Anyway, that's it for this video. It's just a really quick way for, if you are creating a token on Tron, on how to get folks to buy it. Now this token Energon, I do not recommend anybody buy it. It is a novelty token, so please do not purchase this token. This is mainly for testing purposes, and I just want to throw it out there just in case someone sees it. Hopefully they don't purchase it. Hopefully they will look when they search that there is no website associated with it. Maybe in the future I'll put something in here that will say do not buy this token, but just don't buy it. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.